My name is Greg Parkos. I'm the general manager of Sardella's and Imbriglio's restaurant in Newport, Rhode Island. When COVID first hit, we shut down. Reopened about a month later, I would say in about around April, and that's just when we opened for takeout. Throughout the process, we began to open a little bit more each time the governor released new regulations, and then we just started to do outside dining at first with the to-go orders until about June 1st. And then when she opened up seating indoors, that's when we started to adapt. We also added a new patio in the back of Imbriglio's because most customers these days feel more comfortable dining outside than inside. As of right now, we're just adjusting every time we hear something new. We're trying to make the patio back here last as long as possible going into the winter. We ran through some different ideas of igloos, tents, ways that we can keep it more operational going forward during the winter months. In terms of learning about Sardella's and the new things that we have going on, Facebook or our social media is always a good way of getting a hold of us. We strongly recommend that you follow us, Sardella's, on Facebook or Instagram.